Hello everyone, we're back at it again. We're back at it again to your boy Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please do yourself a favor and please subscribe. Today reacting to SOS, aka Big Xhosa, Amasende. This track is, I'm sure it's gonna be hilarious as heck. From the title, Hebana, let's get straight into it. Big Xhosa, yo. Is it the rap game that's screaming from being held by the scrotum? Is it screaming Maya 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 Hagarihana? Ooh, that ad-lib! Ooh, resurrect! That's a bar though. He said he gave SA hip hop life. Like Jesus Christ, we've seen it. He resurrected SA hip hop. He did cause a stir in SA hip hop. I don't know about reviving it. I don't know, but okay. Facts. He's not a kappa. You pass rapper. He's not a kappa. Great one of Big Xhosa. Maya. Ooh. Wait. There's a crip walk. And the one is doing, that's the Big Xhosa walk. The one where you hold your scrotum and you do the gangster lean. Maya ha. Facts. Ooh. Julius Malema vibes. Maya. Boom. Ooh. Big Xhosa. No reply. Are they scared? No reply. Don't tell me about Big Baby. Okay, that shit was whack. So thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Dyan'van. That was Big Xhosa with the name of the song. It was hilarious. I enjoyed it. It was hilarious. It was rude. It was direct. It was disrespectful. But I definitely enjoyed it. So thank you guys for watching. Dyan'van.